Do you have IQ? I have IQ. My IQ is $8,500 on the last 24 hours. Let me show you something. What's up, guys? Daniel here, but you can call me Crypto Jesus because we just made 680% profit on the last 48 hours. And I tell you and I show you how I do this. I developed the software to trade crypto. And our trade recap today is IQ, SafePal, Trust Wallet Token, Chrono.tech, OAX, WinGoal, Aurory. Guys, 170% profit we made it Aurory. Okay? The strategy is to buy low and sell up high. In order to find those coins, my software have to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Okay? Let me give you a first example. IQ, guys. We made 85% profit. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday on November 18. We bought this coin for 0.0029 and you put a sell order right here, 0.005. We made 85%, guys. And you're gonna be asking yourself, how this guy always sell in the top? I'll show you right now. You see this chart here? It's 1 hour chart here. Let's go to a daily chart. Daily chart. Take a look at this, guys. You see this lane here? It's called 200 EMA, exponential moving average, guys. We sell before this lane because this lane is a magnetic. Instead we sell right in the top, we sell little low. We play smart. We play as snipers, guys. We buy low and sell up high. That's how you make money, guys. One more coin. Take a look at this profit here. Aurory. 170% profit, guys. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday, November 18. We bought this coin for 32 cents. And you put a sell order right here, 90 cents. One more time. How you sell on the top? 1 hour chart. Let's go to a daily chart. Boom. You see this thing here? This lane is called 48 exponential moving average, guys. We sold before the 48. We sold the 90. Okay? That's how you make money. You make money when you have a software to provide you the strategy I'm trying to teach you. Okay, the coin providing me the software providing the coins is gonna pump in the future. Okay, so I print screen my monitor and share in the private list by email for crypto members. Okay, 170% profit, 85% profit. That's how you make money. Overall, 680% profit. This is a crypto pump, guys. When you become a member, I will teach you right away how to use this strategy as a swing trade. And the crypto pumps I will share in the private list. But you're gonna learn this strategy here. You see this coin here? Let me make this thing a little low. Here. DFI.Money. Okay, 200% profit. This is a swing trade strategy, guys. Let me show you something here. DFI.Money. When you become a member, I'm gonna share a platform with you, so you will have your platform to trade. Okay, you don't have to pay $600 on TradingView, and I will teach you this strategy right here. For the people who follow me, bought this coin for $979 on October 17, basically a month ago, and so far we made 235%. When we are not making money trade crypto pumps, we invest our money in swing trade. If you don't like to trade coins, guys, also we can trade for you. I track those coins 24/7. Okay, so if you follow my trades, DFI.Money, we bought this coin a month ago. Yeah, the last update for Bitcoin is stay away from Bitcoin, guys. Don't buy Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is still on the downtrend. I will let you know when should buy and sell Bitcoin and all the main crypto, guys. Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, Polkadot, Solana, Litecoin. Guys, this is a lifetime opportunity. Don't waste your time. Make money, okay? Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. Reach me out, let's talk. You can call me, okay? Take your time, have a blessed day. Bye bye.